Event lighting moving profiles have the ability to interchange gobos. This video will walk you through the steps to swap out gobos. To do this, you will require a Phillips head screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the cover from the unit. Release the safety wire from the cover to access the unit easily. Be sure to use the locking mechanism to hold the unit in place. Choose the gobo you want to replace. Lift the rim of the gobo with your fingers and use the pliers to pull the gobo out. To reinstall the gobo, reinsert the gobo to the gobo slot. Check the gobo does not protrude higher than the other gobos.